Kumzalisini Kunmari Kunma Gyoina Best KVK Award Manipur gi KVK Thobalna Lourakkhre Amadi Best Innovative Farmers Award Krishi Gaurav su KVK Thobal gi Progressive Farmer Akoizem Devena Phangkhre Lemjaningai Oiraba Mana Singase Meghalaya gi Omiamda Pangthokiba ICAR Agricultural Technology Application Research Institute Atari Zone 7 gi Mapansuba Foundation Dega Marilenana Meghalaya gi Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Minister Dr. M. Amparin Lingdon ICR Atari Zone 7 Umiam Meghalaya gi Director Dr. A.K. Mohanty Indian Council of Agricultural Research New Delhi gi Assistant Director General ADG Dr. R.R. Barmana KVK Thobal gi Head Soeribi Senior Scientist Dr. Jasmarani Sarangthem Amadi Akoizem Devenda Kusinara Kibani KVK Thobalna Thobal District Manungda Leiriba Lomi Singda Parks and Santoliba Location Specific Cutting Edge Agricultural Technologies Sing Fostering farm innovations amadi impactful extension service kya piriba sibu sakhangduna ICAR Atari Zone 7 Umiamna lemjaningai oiraba West KVK Award Manipur gi award sipirakpani hairi amaromda KVK Thobal gi makhada leba progressive farmer ama oina furrow maker fitted to power tiller or tractor gi innovators su oiduna toan ba agency kiana sakhang khraba Thobal wang mataba sorok mathaktage akoizam devenda lisingani kunmari kunma gi Best Innovative Farmer Award Krishi Gaurav ki award pirakibani